How does Wix Booking work? Wix Bookings is an all-in-one scheduling system that lets customers book services, classes, or appointments directly through your website. It's perfect for salons, fitness trainers, consultants, photographers, or any business that relies on client appointments. Wix Bookings automatically manages your schedule, sends reminders, and accepts payments, all while keeping your calendar perfectly organized. When you add Wix Bookings to your site, you can create a professional booking page that lists your available services, prices, and time slots. Customers can book online anytime, choose their preferred staff member if applicable, and even pay in advance. The system automatically syncs with your calendar and prevents double bookings, so your schedule always stays accurate. Wix also gives you full control over your business from one dashboard. You can manage appointments, track client details, send confirmation emails, and accept payments securely through Wix Payments or other integrated providers. It even syncs with Google Calendar and offers automatic notifications to help you and your clients stay on track. You can get started with Wix for free today by using the link in our description. It instantly gives you everything you need to design, customize, and launch your own professional website without spending a dime.